Yeah, it's an exciting video. I'm finally going to be trying the Eylure London Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. So you all have been waiting for me to put these on, and me too. So I'm actually not even really going anywhere today. So I was debating whether or not to put on makeup for this review, but I thought sometimes maybe I just want to, quickly do my skincare. I feel like my skin looks really even and nice today, so I don't really want to put on any heavy makeup. I have a couple errands to run, but sometimes you just want to feel a little done up, but not like do a full glam. I don't know if you're like that, but I am. So I just did my brows. I don't have on any concealer, nothing else, just my moisturizer and my brows done. And I'm gonna put on a lash, and hopefully that gives me sort of like I woke up like this type of thing. I'm going to also be reviewing a brow tint dye situation that lasts up to 2 weeks. So it will be really cool to like wake up with brows on, and if this, is easy like they say it is, then that will be really cool. So if you want to see how these turn out, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's open her up. And by the way, I was also going to mention that I have been debating getting lash extensions, and the reason why I haven't done that is because I know that I will probably fall in love with them. Or on the negative side, I am very sensitive, so I could get very irritated and hate them, but say that they turn out beautiful and I love them, I can see myself getting addicted to them. And with lashes, at least you can take them on and off. But I am looking for something that's like even quicker to do. I used to be able to put on a lash in like 30 seconds, but these days I just don't. I just put on some mascara and go. But I kind of want that lash extension look, and I'm really hoping that these are work for me. So let me just make sure I read the instructions. It says, shake magnetic lash eyeliner before use, apply 3 layers of the liner, and then waiting for each layer to dry in between applications. And then it has like a little diagram here to show you if you want a lighter look, a cat eye, or something more full glam. And on the back side, it says, so then once you put on 3 coats of the liner, then you're supposed to, back and front, put the lash right on. So the lash is supposed to link to the eyeliner. I have tried the top and bottom ones before. Horrible. It was like, took me 30 minutes to get a lash on, and I never was able to successfully get the lashes to stay put. So I ended up throwing them away. So this liner seems like a better concept. And I chose to do this one, the liquid liner, versus the pomade that I think Eylure Lashes has. And I love Eylure, let me show you. Ardell. I love Ardell lashes, but they came out with these are just regular glue-on. They came out with like a pomade, and that I heard wasn't working very well, but this liquid liner seems to be doing the trick. So, and then it tells you how to remove it. Okay, let me get her open. And these are the lashes. Just cute, like giving me some volume and some fullness. I think they're very comparable to like my regular Ardells. Like I wear these demi wispies. Oops, excuse me. I wear these demi wispies, like that's like my everyday lash. I'm shaking this, but I don't hear anything. I don't know. So far, so good. My eyes aren't watering or anything. Like I told you all, I have like sensitive skin, and I can be really sensitive around my eye area. Okay, so I got my liner on. I did end up doing a little bit of a wing. I couldn't help myself. And since I wasn't wearing makeup, I didn't want to use makeup to clean up my liner. So I just use a little witch hazel on a Q-tip. Hack for you all to get your line even. Okay, I feel like it wants to, I'm gonna use my finger because it wants to, the metal isn't working. Oh, wow. Oh my God. That is freaky. Are we gonna get the whole thing on? Are we? Well, like, it is on there for the, I'm trying to get this part. Like, I feel it sticking on. That's creepy. That is weird. It feels very light. Like, that's on there, y'all. What I'm hesitant about is that it doesn't feel like a glue-on lash, because when I use glue, like, I feel it like it feels more secure. But this, I think I need maybe a little bit more liner because this part is kind of coming off. But the center just wants to stay right where it is. It's easy to move around too, which is nice. Okay, there we go. It popped on, oh my God. Okay, hopefully that stays in place and doesn't like move around. That's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna move around. I have to go to the store and stuff too, so, you know, hopefully on a windy day, these aren't like flying off. Wow, y'all, I'm shook right now. I wanted to have high hopes, like I told y'all, but though that first lash with the top and bottom was so bad, like so bad. So at the same time, I didn't have, like, literally as soon as I place it, it's like you can feel it. And what's nice is that you can, if you don't put it on your eye, right, you know, when you're using glue lashes, sometimes it's not exactly placed, so you may have to maneuver it a little bit, and then you kind of mess up your eyeliner or your makeup. Like, you can easily just pull this right off. If you need a little bit more liner to get it on, then you can do that without messing up your eye look. Whoa. Like, no matter how many times I take it off and put it back, it just, I mean, I won't keep doing that because the liner is very easy to come off. Like when I was cleaning up with that Q-tip, like I could easily just wipe this off like instantly. So this stuff doesn't seem like it's gonna stick like onto the skin. This is crazy. Do I literally have these on right now? Like that quick. Like, take it on, put it on, and it's on in like 10 seconds. That is incredible. OMG. They feel really good. They feel like weightless, like I don't have anything on my eyes. This is crazy. I'm happy. I hope you guys, now I think these were $14. I got them at like maybe like $14.99, so like basically $15, and I got them at Target. So I want y'all to try them to see if you guys have the same experience that I do. And I'm gonna be reusing these throughout the week testing them out, seeing how it works, seeing, you know, whatever. This is just my very first impression, my first time trying them, and wow, like they're on. I hope I am. If you guys have any questions, like sometimes the inner corner comes up a bit, and that's where I didn't use as much liner because I usually go thin and then it gets thicker as it goes out. So if you're like me and that's how you do your liner too, maybe you just need to add a little bit more to get the inner corners secure. But this center and out, I don't think I'm gonna have any problem with these. They're really pretty. Like, yeah, let me close my eyes for a second. Yeah, the only thing you can't do is use a metal tweezer. Duh, Sade. So use that plastic one if you have one, or just your fingers work just fine. I'm so impressed. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you guys have any other questions for me before you buy them, I'd be happy to answer that for you, and I will check in with you guys like in another video. It may not be a dedicated video, but I may just say, hey, I'm wearing the lashes today, still working or whatever. Check out my Instagram stories. Also, I do a lot of updating on there as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want me to review more things, or if you just enjoyed this review. I hope I did a good job for you guys. And yeah, leave me a comment below, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.